Welcome. In this module, we'll walk through how to set up an Azure DevOps pipeline to run your TestComplete tests. First, navigate to the pipeline section. Then click on New Pipeline. We're going to use the classic editor to create this pipeline, but you can use YAML if you're familiar. Select the repository where your tests reside. These can be checked in using the TestComplete SCM toolbar built in. Next, select an empty job. We'll add a required task in the next screen. Give your pipeline a name, and then select the agent pool containing your Azure agents. Now we'll add our required tasks. Search for test in the search toolbar. There's 3 required tasks in order: Visual Studio Test Platform Installer, the TestComplete plugin, and Visual Studio Test. The Visual Studio installer does not need further configuration. The TestComplete adapter, we configure which runner we'll use on the agent machine, TestComplete or TestExecute. We can also pass an access key if required and define where we'll search for our tests in our project. We can also pass additional command line parameters directly, such as test parameters or maybe test log output parameters. Finally, in the test assemblies task, we can specify our project, which is a .pjs file, and perhaps what tests we want to run from that project. We can run an entire project, individual tests, or in this case, a test item, in this case, release 1.0, which contains a group of tests as defined in our project execution plan. And that's it. Save your new pipeline, which is now ready to be executed as part of your CI/CD workflow. Thanks for watching.